Imagine being so intelligent that you invent tools even though you live in the ocean. No hands, no pockets, no opposable thumbs, and yet you innovate. This isn't science fiction. It's the real-life story of dolphins, the tool-using masterminds of the sea. While we often think of dolphins as playful acrobats, what lies beneath that permanent smile is a brain so powerful it rivals our own in complexity. In fact, dolphins have the second largest brains relative to body size in the animal kingdom, just after humans. They communicate, cooperate, and most incredibly, they use tools to hunt. Welcome to Shark Bay, Australia, a remote crystal blue paradise and the stage for one of the most fascinating displays of animal intelligence ever observed. Here, a group of bottlenose dolphins has developed a hunting strategy that defies expectation. They break sea sponges off the ocean floor and wear them on their noses. Why? Because they're about to dive into a dangerous hunt. The seafloor is littered with sharp rocks, spiny sea urchins, and stinging marine life. But the dolphins know better. They use the sponge like a glove, a shield protecting their snouts as they dig into the sand, searching for hidden prey. This isn't random behavior. It's deliberate. It's learned. And most remarkably, it's taught from mother to child. Yes, like human parents passing on knowledge, dolphin mothers teach their calves how to find the right sponge, how to carry it, and how to use it effectively. This behavior, known as sponging, is a form of cultural transmission, a rare trait in the animal world. And it's not the only trick up the dolphin's sleeve. In Florida Bay, dolphins use mud rings to hunt fish. One dolphin swims in a tight circle, kicking up a wall of mud with its tail. Trapped and confused, the fish panic, leaping into the air to escape, right into the open mouths of the waiting dolphins. In other regions, dolphins herd fish into shallow waters, strand themselves on the shore for a moment, then slide back into the sea with a meal. It's bold, it's dangerous, and it's genius. But how do dolphins develop these strategies? The answer lies in their social structure. Dolphins live in complex societies called fish infusion groups, constantly forming and breaking alliances. They remember individual voices for decades. They recognize themselves in mirrors. They even have signature whistles, the dolphin equivalent of names. These traits allow for something extraordinary: shared learning. When one dolphin discovers a new hunting technique, others observe, adapt, and innovate. It's a feedback loop of intelligence, a living culture beneath the waves. And science is only just beginning to grasp the depth of it. Marine biologists now believe some dolphin populations are entering what we might call a stone age, using tools, passing down knowledge, and building a culture that spans generations. It challenges everything we thought we knew about intelligence. That humans were the only tool users, the only innovators, the only culture makers. Dolphins say otherwise, and they do it with clicks, whistles, and a sponge on the nose. But this story isn't just about awe. It's also a warning. Dolphins are incredibly sensitive to environmental changes. Noise pollution, plastic waste, and declining fish stocks threaten not just their lives, but their culture, their way of life. When we pollute the oceans, we don't just kill animals. We risk erasing stories, traditions, wisdom passed down over centuries. Protecting dolphins isn't just about saving a species. It's about respecting intelligence in all its forms, acknowledging that we are not alone in our cleverness. That innovation doesn't require hands, only the will to adapt and the curiosity to explore. So the next time you hear that high-pitched whistle in the distance, remember, it might just be a dolphin outsmarting the ocean once again.